Right now, if your brand is not in TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Short, you are already losing half of the market. But here's the good news. You don't need a team or huge budget. In this video, I will show you how to use artificial intelligence plus short video to turn a brand from zero into a profitable brand in just 30 days. When I first started, I have no idea what kind of the content would work. I wasted time thinking, writing, and planning. But then I discovered how to use AI tools and everything changed. Let's dive in. Today we have tools that can help with every part of marketing, from the content idea to make a script, to making video, to even posting them automatically. Step 1. Finding ideas with AI. AI can give you endless idea in a second. For example, I can ask ChatGPT, give me 10 short idea for a coffee shop in Dubai, and I will get a full list instantly. This saves time and remove stress of thinking. For example, a hair salon or business coach can get daily ideas without effort. Step 2. A script and caption. Next, AI can write your video script and even your Instagram caption. For example, write me a 60-second script and caption for an online bag shop in Toronto. AI will create a script, a catchy caption, and even hashtag that are trending. This means your content is ready to post without wasting hours. Step 3. Fast video creation. With AI video tools like Runway, Pika Labs, or even CapCut with AI voice, you can make video without a big studio. You can even create video without showing your face, just using product photo plus text on a screen. For example, a clothing store can upload product image and text, and in a minute they have a professional reels. Step 4. Auto posting and scheduling. You don't need to stay up at night posting video by hand. Tools like Later, Buffer, or Metrical can schedule and post for you, and can also tell you the best time to post based on your audience data. This way, your content works for you even while you sleep. The next step. Analyze and improve. Finally, AI can study your result. It can show which video had the most view, which caption got the most comment, and which hook kept people watching. For example, after 2 weeks, you may learn that comparison video always gets more engagement. This feedback helps you improve fast and double your growth. So remember the system: ideas with AI, script with AI, video with AI, posting with AI, and finally analyze with AI. All you need is the strategy and will to take action. If you follow this system, even a brand with the 0 followers can reach thousands of people in 30 days. Now I want to ask you, if you start with AI today, what will your first video about? Tell me in a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video I will show you step by step how to grow your brand with AI. This is Mizanrise. I'm Hossein Khani.